Did you know that millions of phones are hacked each year? The number is staggering. It's not just a few isolated incidents, it's a widespread issue affecting people globally. It's a silent epidemic, often unseen and unheard. Many people don't even realize their phones have been compromised until it's too late. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities in our mobile devices. They use sophisticated techniques to bypass security measures and gain access to our personal information. These attacks can have devastating consequences. From identity theft to financial loss, the impact can be life-altering. Telecom hacking, once the domain of sophisticated criminals, is becoming increasingly common. The barrier to entry is lower than ever before. The tools and techniques are more readily available than ever before. Online marketplaces and forums make it easy for anyone to learn how to hack. This means anyone can be a target. It doesn't matter who you are or where you live. If you have a phone, you're at risk. We rely on our phones for everything. They are our lifelines, connecting us to the world and storing our most sensitive information. From banking to shopping, our entire lives are stored on these devices. We use them for navigation, communication, and even entertainment. This makes them a prime target for hackers looking to steal our information and our money. The consequences can be severe, leading to financial ruin and emotional distress. What's even more concerning is that many people are unaware of the risks they face. They go about their daily lives blissfully unaware that their personal information could be at risk at any moment.
Telecom hacking refers to the exploitation of vulnerabilities in telecommunications networks. These networks are vast and complex, making them prime targets for cybercriminals. These networks are the backbone of our connected world, enabling seamless communication and data transfer across the globe. They allow our phones to make calls, send messages, and access the internet. Without these networks, our daily lives would be significantly disrupted. Hackers target these networks to intercept communications, steal data, and hijack accounts. Their methods are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They exploit weaknesses in the signaling protocols that control how our phones connect to the network. These protocols were designed decades ago and have inherent vulnerabilities. Think of it like this. Imagine the telecom network as a vast, interconnected web of highways. Your phone is like a car, and the telecom network is like the highway. Just as cars travel on roads, your phone sends and receives data through these networks. Just like a car can be hijacked on the highway, your phone can be hijacked on the network. Hackers can take control of your device without you even knowing. Understanding how telecom hacking works is crucial for protecting yourself. By being aware of the risks, you can take proactive measures to safeguard your information. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to spot the signs of an attack and take steps to mitigate your risk. Knowledge is your first line of defense in the digital age.
Phone security is a complex issue. Our phones are designed for convenience, not necessarily for security. This means there are inherent vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. One common vulnerability is weak passwords. Many people use simple, easy-to-guess passwords, making it easy for hackers to gain access to their devices. Another vulnerability is outdated software. Older versions of operating systems and apps may contain security flaws that hackers can exploit. Regularly updating your software is crucial for patching these vulnerabilities. Social engineering is another tactic hackers use. They might trick you into giving up personal information or downloading malicious software. Always be wary of suspicious emails, text messages, or phone calls.
Hackers employ a variety of advanced techniques to compromise phone security. These methods are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it crucial for individuals and organizations to stay informed and vigilant. These techniques target different aspects of the telecommunications infrastructure, from the physical hardware to the software protocols that manage data transmission. One such technique is SIM swapping, a method that has gained notoriety for its effectiveness. This involves tricking your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to a SIM card controlled by the hacker. They often do this by impersonating you and providing personal information to customer service representatives. Once they have your number, they can bypass two-factor authentication and gain access to your accounts. This can lead to unauthorized transactions, identity theft, and a host of other security breaches. Man-in-the-middle attacks are another significant threat in the realm of telecommunications security. In this scenario, the hacker positions themselves between your phone and the network, intercepting all communication. This allows them to monitor your activities in real time. They can then eavesdrop on your calls, steal your data, and even impersonate you, leading to severe privacy violations and potential financial loss. SS7, SIGTRAN, SIP, and diameter are signaling protocols used in telecommunications networks. These protocols are essential for the functioning of mobile networks, but are also vulnerable to exploitation. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in these protocols to intercept calls, send spoofed messages, and track your location. Understanding these threats is the first step in protecting yourself and your data from advanced hacking techniques.